Good morning, respected parents and my dear students. Myself, Deepali Vita. I am the class teacher of senior KG. As you all know about the pandemic condition because of coronavirus. But don't worry, don't be panic. Just take care. My dear kids, you all are very precious for your family. So, be happy, do yoga and meditation with your parents, take proper diet, drink lot of water, eat healthy fruits and be happy. Apart from that, stay home, stay safe, and my dear kids, after half an hour, wash your hands and use sanitizer. Don't touch your hands directly to your mouth. I hope you all will do this for your safety and to your family. So dear, we are unable to open our school right now, but your learning is very important. We cannot stop your education. For that purpose, we have to continue with our syllabus of senior KG. So, our school have arranged virtual classes. What is meant by virtual classes? Virtual classroom is an online teaching and learning environment where teachers and students can present course materials, engage and interact with one another and work in group together. It helps us to learn and interact between us. My dear kids, really I appreciate to you. You are sitting inside the house, listening to your parents, not demanding outside food or junk food, and taking care of yourself and your family too. Good job. Well done, my dear. I am feeling very proud. So, my dear children, we will discuss about our syllabus. Everyone knows that we are having different subjects like English, Maths, Hindi, EVS, GK, Drawing. Yes, I know you all are eagerly waiting for that. So, we will see step by step and definitely you will overcome on that. I am always with you. Fine. So, children, can you remember what you learnt last class? Who is your class teacher? Yes, very good. Last time, your teachers are Mrs. Sonali ma'am, Bharti ma'am, Alga ma'am, Anupama ma'am. Yeah, good. They taught you different kind of slams, story, words and etc. How to play and how to read. Very good. Throughout the year, what you are going to learn in English, I will explain you that all things. With the proper coordination of parents and teacher, students will definitely progress. The family is the first school of a child, so I hope parents will take care of given syllabus and help the children. Now I am going to explain you all the contents and structure of English. Okay, so my dear parents and students, this is the contents of English. Use of this and that. So dear children, where you have to use this and that, where you have to use this and that, when we are going, what is meant by this and that? So I will teach you. I will give you lots of example. Easily you can understand and definitely you will use this. Okay. Then articles. What is the articles? Yes. Where we have to use. What is meant by a and what are the vowels and consonants? Okay. Then all things you can learn and you will definitely use a and in proper mode and in proper way. Next, more than one. You know children, the nouns are different nouns. Okay, sometimes we are using one, sometimes we are using more. But how to convert in more, what we have to do for that? Okay, that all things I will teach you in senior KG. Yes, very good. Don't worry, if you are having any problem, just tell to your mama. She will ask me and definitely I will guide you. And children, keep in your mind, I will take test. Anytime I will conduct the test. So please be ready for that. And I know that you are the kid students. Very good. So next topic is that uses of AMISA. Where we have to use an, is, are. What are the frames? Where they are helping us or where they are not helping. That all things I will teach you. And you know children, if you learnt where we have to use an, is, are, definitely you can form the sentence. You can form the structures, different kind of structures. And with the help of that structure, you can speak. You can speak nicely. You can interact with your friends, teachers and parents. And we want that only. You have to learn that all things in senior KG. This year is very important for you. Okay, fine. The next, use preposition. Oh my God, what is meant by preposition? Yeah, it consists In, on, under, near, far. You are telling, Mama, that is upside, Mama, that is far, I cannot take it. So, why you are saying you cannot take that? Why you are saying it is far? What is mean by near and far? Such kind of words. What is mean by that? How we are going to use? These all words I will tell you. Okay. Then most important thing is WH words. You know children, WH words. What is mean by WH words? In short, I will tell you. WH words means it starts with W and H, and at the last it takes question mark. It means we are asking questions, we are asking something to anybody and they are giving the answer. It means we got the way to communicate with each other. Okay, and when you come to school, definitely you have to make a friend, you have to talk with them. Okay, suppose any problem is there, so you will ask to your teacher only. Then how you will use that all WH words? When we have to use exact that word, that all things I will teach you, and definitely within 1 or 2 months you can use that words properly and you can frame the questions also. Very good. Next is long and short sound words. Oh, it's a very serious topic? Not at all. Okay, whenever we are uttering the words, how to take a short sound and when we have to take a long sound, how to identify it's a short sound and it's a long sound, I will tell you. There is magic only. Definitely you will learn that from me. Then rhyming words of A, E, I, O, U. Yes, you learned that. What is meant by A, E, I, O, U? Your junior KG teachers taught you. But in short, okay. I will tell you how to use that. Okay. What are the vowels? What are the consonants? Fine. Next topic is opposite words. What is meant by opposite? What is meant by opposite words? What is the meaning and where we have to use that? For example, I will tell you, Mama, my toys are big. My toy is big. My friend's toy is small. What is small and big? Yes, these are the opposite words. Why these are opposite words? Because they are telling complete different meaning. Big, small. Tall, short. Heavy, light. Yes, such words are called opposite words. So we have to learn ample of words. Okay, you all are ready. I know that you all are eagerly waiting for that. Children, I am always with you. Just listen to your parents. Whatever I am giving you, concentrate on that. Listen my video. Okay, and after that, discuss with your parents. And just write down whatever I am giving you. Okay, very nice. Next, sight words. What is meant by sight words? You know children, in nursery and junior KG, you learn phonic sound. Yes? All words we cannot read with the help of phonics. Sometimes we have to see the spelling and automatically we have to pronounce that. For example, in your house spoon is there. क्या आपकी मम्मा आपको बता रही है ये स्पून है ये चम्मच है always you are seeing that and you are grasping, yeah, it is a spoon, I have to use here. Likewise, some sight words are there and you have to learn that, you have to grasp that, and with the help of sight words you can read fluently. Okay, next, myself. Yeah children, it is very important topic. Myself means what? You have to tell about yourself, about you. Yeah, what is your name? What is your parents' name? What is your mother's name? What is your last name? Then how many sisters and brothers do you have? What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite food? Yeah, apart from that, what is the name of your school? Where you are living? What is your age? That all things include in the myself, and that all things you have to learn. I will help you, but you have to learn and you have to tell to anybody without any mistakes. Yes, easily you can do that. Fine. Okay. Then CVC words. What is meant by CVC? C, V, C. Yes, children. C stand for consonant. V stand for vowels. And again C. That C also stand for consonants. Means consonants, vowel and consonants. We have to see the combination of C, V, C and we have to form the words. Such kind of words are called CVC words. Okay, don't worry. And CVC words always consist only 3 letters. There are another topics, that is long CVC words. Step by step I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, so how we had to form, how to recognize that? That all things I will teach you. Okay, CVC words. Next topic is that use of have, has. What is meant by have, has? Here children, shortly I will explain you the same meaning have and has. Only different is that where we have to use have and has. So I will tell you what is the difference. Yeah, got it? Okay, fine. Next topic is that high frequency words. What is meant by high frequency words? When we are using words again and again, बार बार अगर आप use करते हो, so such kind of words are called high frequency words. And why we are using that? That all things I will teach you, yes, in this syllabus. Next, blending. What is meant by blending? Why we are blending? What kind of sound we are getting, and where we have to use that? That all things comes in blending, and I will tell you. And definitely you will learn and you will improve your speaking skill. After that, digraph. What is meant by digraph? Just don't worry, don't be panic. I will teach you definitely. Okay. Next is vowel digraph. If you know the digraph, definitely you will overcome on vowel digraph. Yes. Extra sound of A, E, I, O, U. Yes, children. This is different and important topic. You learnt regular sound means A says A, B says B. Okay. Apart from that, other sounds are there. That is extra sound. So I will teach you that extra sound of A, E, I, O, U. And many more. Okay. So this is our syllabus. Shortly I explained you. Now when the session will start, I will take one topic and I will teach you that all. Okay. The direct contact of children and teacher has been prohibited accordingly to rules and regulations. So now parents has to play the role of teacher as well as parents. Now it is responsibility of teacher and parents to mold our children. I hereby request all mother parents to take active part in this condition, and please be aware of this situation and cooperate us with our program. After that, I want to say one thing. See dear, there are different kinds of poems. So shortly, I will tell you one poem. When I will teach you, after that, you have to tell your mother. She will guide you. She will sing that poem first, and you have to first listen, correct pronunciation and intonation. And after that, you can learn that all. For example, Johnny Johnny. Yeah, 1 minute. I will show you here some. I will show you your books. See, this is a poem book. Okay. These are the poems, and after that, these are the poems. And after that, see, nice book, colorful. Oh my God, one girl is here. Okay, balloon. After completing the poems, the part of story. Yeah, 1 minute. See, these are the stories. I will teach you, but always you have to take help of your mother, listen to her and repeat again and again. Okay. See, the first story is the calf seller and the monkeys. Then the bear and the two friends. After that, the two frogs. Okay. Then another book is there of MI Kids. You know children, our school is using new software. You all are aware about it. You learnt in nursery also, junior KG and TCR also, we are following that. Okay. So these are our MI Kids book. There are also many topics. Definitely I will teach you. Okay. In this L blends, now only I told you blending. Yeah. L blend, R blend, S blend, long vowel, short vowel. These all topics covered in this MI Kids book. Okay. Again there are some books I will tell you. This is our environmental books. Okay. We have to see that many lessons are there, and children, these lessons are very nice. Okay. See, these are the contents. Myself, keep clean and healthy. Okay, these are the lessons. So step by step, I I will teach you. Okay, don't worry about it. Then GK book is there. GK means general knowledge. With pictures, there are ample of questions. You have to see the picture, identify. If you are having problem, ask to your parents. Okay, definitely they will guide. And after that, below the topic, there are the question answers. So you can ask to your mama. Okay, and you can learn that all. Not learn, just see and give. Try to give the answers. See, this is the GK book. Got it? Okay, you have to write down 3-letter words. Okay, of each letter. For example, A. So, A-N-T, ant. Next letter, what comes after A? B. B-A-T, bat. Cat, dog. Okay, 3-letter words. I know you learnt in junior KG. Yes, you had to write down 3-letter words of each letter means A to Z. A, A-N-T, ant. Then B comes B-A-T, bat. Then C comes C-A-T, cat. Then D comes D-O-G, dog. Likewise, you have to write. And definitely I will check your notebook. Okay? Write in good handwriting. Got it? Very good. So, I think you understood whatever I told now. Okay? And again, I request to all mother parents, please take care of our students. Okay? Definitely you will help me. And we will overcome on the all topics. Okay, then after that we will switch on maths, EVS, GK. Okay, got it? Very good. And all the best. Don't worry, children, you have to listen to your mama. Okay, and follow all the guidelines whatever I told you. Okay, very nice. All the best and good day. Bye.